I would like to call upon our session chair, Mr. Fernando Morillo, Senior Executive VP and Global Head of Retail Banking at Mashreq, to share a few words. Please, Mr. Morillo.
I think I'm the last one to say some words here today. There are more. Then I'm humbled by not being the last one to say the last words here. What else can you, I was thinking before coming here, what else can you add to what I've heard today? The first thing I'd like to do is to really thank and appreciate the extraordinary effort in the organization of the event. I'm really learning a lot. I'm really listening to all the breadth and depth of discussions that are taking place here. So first off, my deep appreciation to invite us here. Second, I'd like to perhaps make a correction in something that has been said or hinted with regards to Mashreq being the oldest. It is true, it's the oldest private bank in the UAE, but I want to correct that. Oldest doesn't mean old. Mashreq and I are exactly the same age. So Mashreq is a young bank that is coming to Pakistan. And let me even correct myself. We're not coming to Pakistan. We are already in Pakistan. We've been here for the last 20 years. It's been a very deep relationship. We have over 200 people here working already in Pakistan. And frankly, for us, it's more of a really integration with the country. The moment that we learned that there would be a licensing process in Pakistan, we didn't hesitate it for a bit. And why is that? I've been asked several times before coming here, and even once we came here, why Pakistan? And I always answer with a question. Where else on earth can you find a country with almost a 250 million population, of which 70 million are active on mobile and don't have a bank account? And if you really think about it, there's no other place on planet Earth that has this big opportunity for someone like us who are in the business of digital banking. So it's an obvious question for us to come here, and we come in a very humble way. We want to contribute to the mammoth task of changing the habits of a whole country with regards to moving from cash to digital. But in the end, this is not a task of one digital bank or 5 digital banks or even the task of fintechs. It's a collective, colossal task of all of us to change the habits which are entrenched and have been there for such a long time of a big section of the population whom we need to convince about a new way of running their lives, a new way of doing something as simple as managing their money. So cash is the common enemy, and only we join forces will be able to defeat cash, in the sense that we'll be able to move all this economy forward and all this system forward. And that way create more wealth for the economy, more wealth for our clients, and a better and sounder financial system. So we are coming here, and we are really humble players, but we believe that we can contribute to that for 2 simple reasons. One, we are a bank. We're a bank, we're a young bank, as I was saying earlier. We know what it is dealing with all the challenges and problems that is doing banking with our clients in terms of compliance, in terms of the commercial relationships with them, managing costs. It's a complex business. We know this business, and we want to humbly contribute to the digitization from that angle, but also we are a digital bank. Mashreq, 5 years ago, made a very bold decision. We decided to reduce our branch network by 85%. For whoever in the room who's been in banking or related to banking, I think you can understand what that entails. In a matter of months, getting rid of 85% of your physical presence. And we did that by at the same time launching 3 digital banks. We launched Mashreq Neo for the individuals, Mashreq Neo Biz for SMEs, and NeoPay for the merchant acquiring. All 3 are nowadays in our home market the digital bank leaders in their respective categories. So we want to bring that here. We will have to learn a lot from all you, from all our clients here in the future. But we expect to be able to provide some solutions that will help in this colossal, mammoth task, as I was saying earlier, of changing the habits of nearly 100 million people in this country. So we are for this task, and perhaps my final word on that is, we come with an open hand and with open arms. With that I mean that we are willing and happy to collaborate with all of you in the room, with all the fintech community, with the digital ecosystems in Pakistan, with other banks in Pakistan, with our digital frenemies, with our digital people that will be working with our digital banks, we'll be working with them, and we will collectively be succeeding, as I said, in this huge task. And we come with these open arms, we come with this open mindset. And we come also, we believe, ready, as Irfan has highlighted early, with the right technical stack to connect. Because, there are always good words about the mindset, about being able to collaborate. But in the end, this is a technical challenge as well. So we expect to bring also here fantastic technical capabilities that we've been curating in our home market and also in other markets with similar challenges like Egypt, where we also operate. So we're going to be bringing technical people, and we are also hiring. So like we would say in LinkedIn, we are hiring, and we are open for collaboration, even in a deeper sense. Okay. So again, thanks a lot for welcoming us, and a big hello from Mashreq from now onwards, because this is the beginning of a very long journey that we are taking with all the enthusiasm and energy in the world. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Fernando. Welcome to Pakistan from Mashreq, our gold partners.